Hello, people. After long, I sat down to watch a movie called the movie is titled Sadak 2, starring Alia Bhatt and Sanjay Dutt and Aditya Roy Kapoor and my God, and it's been directed by Mahesh Bhatt. But when you're watching this film, and it has like the yesteryear stars like Gulshan Grover and you know Pooja Bhatt keeps making an appearance through edited flashback versions of of her previous film Sadak. So, like when you watch this movie, it's like you go back in time. It's like uh, the the 90s had a certain style of filmmaking which was basically Mahesh Bhatt style of filmmaking. So when you watch this film, you are like revisiting that era, so it's quite interesting in that sense. Sadak 2. But honestly, from a very like the whole the crux of the film is that Alia Bhatt is on this mission to there's this very phony baba or a phony sadhu that she wants to kind of disgrace him because he is basically a crook. So now Guruji, he's referred to as Guruji in the film, but considering just generally the audience is very much under the you have like Sadhguru, and then you have Sri Ravi Shankar ji. So it's all. I mean, you can tell that in the movie the Guruji figure is like completely sinister. But when you map it to real life, it becomes little. I don't know. It's you all can watch it. It's on Disney Hotstar and Sadak 2, and as always, Alia Bhatt, even with stalwarts like uh, Sanjay Dutt and Mahesh Bhatt's direction, it is Alia Bhatt who shines in the film. So do try and catch it, people. It is an interesting film. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.